Today we'll replace the 2024 Mac Mini bottom cover, step by step. Gather a pentalobe driver, Torx T5, a plastic spudger, and replacement cover. Shut down the Mac Mini, unplug power and all peripherals before starting. Place the Mac Mini upside down on a soft, lint-free mat to protect the finish. Use the pentalobe driver to remove the 6 bottom screws, keep them organized. Insert the plastic spudger and gently pry the bottom cover free. Lift slowly. Lift the cover away, set it aside, and inspect the internal frame carefully. Remove chassis screws and disconnect any visible ribbon cables or clips carefully. Place the new bottom cover, align tabs and screw holes before fastening. Reinstall the screws in a crisscross pattern, tightening gradually and evenly. Reconnect power and peripherals, flip the Mac Mini upright, then boot it. Verify system boots, check fan operation, and all ports for proper function.